Alright, so today we got the Vivosun intelligent air detector. So from the get-go, when you open it, it should come sealed. If not, go hit them up. Which I'm pretty sure that would never happen. You got your manual and your Type-C charger. So upon grabbing it, it feels the duty of it feels very great. I would say, let's see, pop this on. So I'm believing it's gonna start reading it as of right now. I think that means it needs to be charged. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and calibrate it. So it's saying take the detector to air fresh environments such as balcony, outdoors. I am outdoors. Run for more than 10 minutes. Press and start waiting. 300 seconds for calibration countdown. No cover on detection ports. Press finish after calibrate. So we're gonna go ahead and start it. So it's basically saying it's running. So 300 seconds. We'll be back. This is one quick tip. When you're about to do the calibration on this device, it's saying you need to run for more than 10 minutes. So before you hit the 300 start button, you have to run it for 10 minutes. Also, to save more time, what I did is I went and turned on the screen time off after 1 minute. Okay, so I'm gonna start off the video right now. I already went ahead and bought the device outside. I actually started the device outside. I went ahead and ran it for 10 minutes. Now I did the 300-second calibration. It's on a timer right now. Let's see what happens after, just in case anyone runs through any type of technical issues. So it's saying press finish once the calibration is done. So we'll go ahead and press finish. You'll see in this video that earlier I went ahead and started it up around 4:02. The level air pollution was at 24. The TVOC I believe was around 3.5, and the PM 2.5 was around like 11, 12. HCHO maybe was at 0.081 I believe, if I'm right. And the PM 1.0, PM 10, 711, not too sure. But if you can see, humidity is right there. Temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. Alrighty, you guys, I just had to come back to this. This is pretty amazing. So if you go to, I'll show you how to get here, right? So you'll go ahead and go to RT, and that will basically, it's for real time. 21 degrees Celsius, 57 degrees percent, 57% humidity. So now you go down to the temperature chart. You can start actually recording your temperature, stopping it, slowing it, and you go fast forward up. As well as that, you go to the HCO, do the same thing, and you go ahead and start tracking it. But what's really amazing is that you could actually go ahead and, let's see, yeah, okay, so you'll go ahead and go to your set, go to sensor, and you're able to put it parts per minute, temperature bias. You're able to see the difference between your temperature and how far you would want it to go out. And if you go to multiply, this is a real crazy thing, is if you go to treat HCHO, you could actually put your room area, room type, HCHO density, and clear mode, ventilated plants, scavenger, photocat. Basically, this is really so great because we could all calculate this very easily. Now, if you go to treat haze, you go to enter as well, it'll do the same thing, room area, room type, correct? So then you're able to calibrate it. We've gone through the calibration already. Fairly simple. So now you go to the alarm, and you could actually put an alarm for how long you want it. 30 seconds, 1 minute, 10 seconds, tone 1, 3, 1. Okay, you can have it on and you can stop it. And you could actually put it to the level that you want it to. That's really amazing. So this basically concludes the video right here, and I would definitely recommend this device. This is so great. You could actually check the pollution in your room, check the pollution in a grow tent. You know, say you're growing some type of fruit that really needs to have a great you know, type of HO or TVOC. That'll be so amazing. But I will be definitely leaving a update within 3 months. I'm actually going to do this in 3 months. I'm going to go ahead and test it out by the ocean, oil refineries, as well as near gas stations around different parts that one would really think the air pollution would go up, as well as I'm going to be looking around areas that have high pollutions and different measurements, and I'll definitely go ahead and update it within 3 months. And there goes that 1 minute timing that's so beautiful about it, and it's so quiet as well. Thank you, Vivosun.